When they pray for my downfall, for Nigeria, congratulations to you. I don't finally fall. I don't get hoop again for life. I don't fall now. I'm finally useless and stupid.
Jesus!
What's that?
That what just happened right now? Did I hear you?
I just gave you.
Did I hear you?
Even though I go pour my anger on you. I'm not different the way you reason me. I go pour my anger on you. Not be everything be. Let me. Jesus Christ! How you take convince me say you get SSK? So you are a foolish Nigerian. SK.
On the see what they do. On the see what they do. Shut on the see what they do. On the see what they do. See what they do. They use my life to do for TikTok.
I don't to see many things for this side. Nothing they surprise me again. You feel they throw bomb for that place there. Make a visit and music they play. I go they dance. I go they get joy. And you shoot gun and they run the attack gun. This boy, you don't know me, oh. You they play with fire. Go and ask questions. Jesus. Oh. I don't even know what's that. Be Lord, now me you do this thing. Upon everything that they do for Nigerians, be Lord. You get mine, do me this kind of thing. So at your age like this now, you still dey very foolish. I beg, avoid me. I beg. I just got to beg you. I beg, leave this place. I beg you in the name of God. I beg. I go pour my anger on you. I'm not different the way you reason me. I go pour my anger on you. Not be everything be. Let me.
Not allowed on the bed. You. No.
I know they fear evil as I dey here like this one. Any evil way you feel say you be, evil way dey my body, it plenty pass the one you feel say you get.
Yeah.
From egg? Can you create egg? Many of that when I feel so only I be mad abi. Many of una feel so only I be mad for this country. My head not correct too. My head not dey ass. You go sue for. What is your gain in life if I fall? What do you go gain, Nigerians? When they pray for my downfall. For Nigeria. Congratulations to you. I don't finally fall. I don't get hoop again for life.
Say you dey white, you be thief. As you, na thief you be.
Jesus, you respect yourself. Jesus.
Are you ready? 1, 2.
Leave here now. Just because I dey cut my baby keep not be sabi na age mate o. I not be your age mate o. I be na old man I be o. I not be your age mate o. See me, I don't lay finish. When I do now the shop chicken and turkey, I'm new way get the money. See the way I look. I look very stupid. You don't we don't beat you before. I purposely wait make this whole thing come to remove emotions, fair. Make emotions they less fair. If I make this video, so you will know what you they pray for.
Why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
You don't think when I blow. Just because you know me now, not me say now I blow. You don't think when I blow. You don't think when I blow. And they remind you now, just because now you start to see me, not me say, and I get blessed. This boy, you don't know me, oh. You they play with fire. You dey play with fire. Go and ask questions. I'm a financial dynamite, a real estate mogul, a financial expert. Not be saying I carry talk. You need to be very vigilant as a man. They look well. Some people interest their eye. They focus on your wife to they zoom your wife to They just they pray for small fault. Maybe you and your wife get issue. They take corner here. They zoom her. So at your age like this now, you still dey very foolish. You don't understand? You be old man, oh, just in case you dey forget your age. Let me remind you of your age. Now old man you be. You are a 50 years old man. Jesus, you respect yourself. Who be this one now? Make I know how much they second first. Now I deal with my armies now. I go tell you say na Lagos today. I dey village. You know understand? Na Lagos today. Na inside village I dey. The way wicked rich no dey fear me because at the end of the day, na gege, e dey wear bossa. I go tell you say, I get people. Life pass all this is what you do. As a grown-up man, if you don't say Nigeria and country, we say they function. Why grown-up man like you would they behave like gorilla? I don't blame you. I blame myself. I blame myself. Just because I dey cut my baby keep not be sabi you na age mate too. I don't be your age mate too. I be na old man I be you. I don't be your age mate too.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here.
For country wage job not day. I manage great job for myself. You see make I call pay tax. Abi? Keke riders, vigilante, drunkards, people should come oh. Nigeria is on fire.
Yeah, rent free. I do buy your groceries. So, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit.
Must I work first before I shop? So I need to work first before I shop. What happened to all these people? 1, 2, 3, 4, all of you. Can't you walk? Let me be eating.
This is getting ridiculous.
I know say egg na your favorite food, but if I no break am for your head, I no go give you.
Jesus Christ.
Now you go chop egg.
You dey test my wickedness, SK. You dey test my wickedness. I give you 7 days to delete that video and apologize to me.
Go chop egg. Your head strong. Now people with head strong, they chop egg. Waiting they fear.
I know they see you as a good person. If you're not a good person, you be black Jesus. You not be good person and black Jesus you be.
You go chop her now.
This girl, you be gold digger. Now gold digger, now you dey dig gold. Yes, you be gold digger. Go arrest me and not get anybody. You be gold digger.
That boy. Literally.
Go believe I'm gonna bust this bottle for your head to be Chris. Now bust up for your head. Kind of nonsense. That we come here call you beneath me. Jesus. Physically, I don't really get so, but my mentality is very brutal and wicked. When people know say once they attack you, you go defend, they go they fear you. Jesus, you respect yourself. Who be this one now? You don't know me again? You don't know me? Shukuma. I go pour my anger on you. I'm not different the way you reason me. I go pour my anger on you. See, nobody try me. I'm not good though. Don't worry, when you go regret your life that time, I will just look with the laugh. Don't worry, you go regret.
Ready, set, go!
They try me, oh, see. If you call yourself better bandit, cross this line, then I go use you learn how to shoot gun. You don't confirm am, Abi? Abi? You don't clear, Abi? See, I dey point touch. I get touch. That's I dey point touch. People they sleep with they secure. See who they. Not be white, not be clear eye you. Now eyes, but the blue eyes, blue. This sight me, just incite my, explode my body. I freeze once. I don't even know my body. It freeze me. What can I see?
Relax and enjoy my evening. When all of a sudden I hear this.
Delete that video now. If you know what's good for you, delete that video. You don't know me, I go use my monitor judge case with your family. I go put you for condition where we say your family go cry because of you. Don't worry.
Bark if I have a fat ass.
The kind of women of una they talk on a girl say Nigeria not be Zimbabwe. If you say Nigeria na Zimbabwe there, many of una as in if you say Nigeria dey Zimbabwe I will not do person something one lie. See, I dey warn you. Nigeria not favor me pass you. Nigeria is for Nigerians. Am I a better Nigerian than you? Moment from now, I go dey very wicked. I will be so wicked. See, I go wicked though. I go wicked to the point to be say, even devil will they fear me. Because the people when they try help, and they won't break me down. I go raw it at you. Because, you know, not worry, make I see you anywhere at the stage. You know that you get luck, say you get luck. No, if you say this my lanky, not let my lanky body they deceive you. What is lanky body? Not let the lanky body they deceive you. Military. I did very, very brutal by behavior. I go discipline you, not be saying I'm out. I don't promise you see this video, so you don't say you did very, very stupid.